useful for filling and sealing of various liquids, such as yogurt, pudding, sauce, and so on. This machine consisted of 6 parts. Now, let me introduce for you in detail. You can put your liquid materials here. And here is a heat device to keep your materials at a constant temperature. And then, here, cup dropping, and here is filling device. Heat sealing, capping. It means that you just need to put your liquid materials here, and this machine will automatically complete all the packing work. This machine speed can reach around 25 and 30 cups per minute, and as you can see, it's not harder than me. So this machine is smart and energy saving.
Looking forward to the next episode? Follow plus like.